Okay. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So now you are sharing your screen, okay?
Yes, sir.
I can see your model. You've not done the roof yet.
No, that's what we started. We started from.
Okay.
So,
but I'm
as we
okay.
keep
I'm okay with what
going,
I've seen. So let me see your floor plans.
Sir, the
Okay,
foundation. This is the foundation.
Okay.
This is the foundation.
Okay.
But the foundation, I've put in the column. This is the column. But creating the boxes of the base one. No.
Don't worry, you look at it later on.
Okay. Now, secondly, the column is this. There's the column, but I think it's supposed to be dark.
Don't worry.
If I minimize,
that is one of our presentation.
We've
not done it, so you look at it.
Okay. Then the dimensions.
No, dimensions we've not done dimensions. We've not done annotations yet.
Okay. Then let me go to the browser.
Do you have a scope box around your structure?
No,
I can see your grids are way longer from the building and stuff.
I've not put it up.
Okay. Let's go. When we get to the sheet, those things will come up.
Okay. Okay. Second, let's look at the project browser. You taught us that we click on the first floor plan, then we go to duplicate.
Yes.
Duplicate in detail.
Okay.
So I got the production drawing, and I got the scale design working view.
Yes,
I came to the plan, ground floor plan, so I did the same thing.
Was it difficult?
No, it wasn't. It wasn't.
Okay.
It was, and I came to the roof plan, I did the same thing. I'm asking the ceiling one that we need not to do that one.
You do that one too. You do that because when you do a building, it's not only the floor plan. The floor plan will show you the things that are on plan, like furniture, equipment, doors, and stuff. But the things on the ceiling, like your lighting fittings, your ceiling fans, and those things, if you don't do the ceiling plan, how are you going to show them? So that's why it's necessary for you to show the ceiling plan. And of late, people are more concerned about their ceiling with this plasterboard ceiling and this LED lighting and stuff. So you cannot do a design and then leave the ceiling plan out. You have to do them.
But I'm asking that, should we do the production drawing and the scale design on the ceiling?
Yes.
On the,
so you go to the ground floor plan, yes. So on the ground floor
plan,
on the ceiling plan, yes. So you get ground floor plan ceiling, and then ground floor for the first floor ceiling also.
So you get the production drawing and the scale design and working view.
Normally for the scale design, you don't need to show the ceiling plan.
Okay, so that one we don't need it over there.
You don't need it, but you do it for the production drawing.
Okay.
For the production, but the scale design is not a requirement.
Okay. When I come to elevation and so the elevation, east elevation, I did the production drawing and the scale design only.
Yes, I'm good. But you have to do the same thing for the north, south, and then the west.
So that one, should I add the working view to the elevation?
Oh, you see, it depends. You see, I'll demonstrate mine to you.
Okay.
And then you appreciate why I say so. You understand? But for now, I'm okay with what I see. Now let's go to the sheets.
Okay. So that's the sheet. I was able to do the scale design.
I can do the production. Cover sheets.
I can do the production and everything, but I
didn't I'm okay. I'm okay with the scale design. So let's have the scale design. Cover sheets.
The cover sheet is there, but I have my title block. I have my.
You cannot use me.
Yes, sir.
This sheet is for production drawing. This sheet is not for scale design.
Okay.
You understand? So you might have to redesign your title block. I'll show you mine. Then later on, you can also redesign your own. The scale design title block it's more artistic. It's more presentational.
But this one graphical. But this one is for working drawing.
This one is for working drawings, yes.
Okay.
So go to the floor plan.
Okay. See, this one also. Have you seen the one I'm asking you about? That black line around it. It's bigger than the the sketch,
Yes.
the title block.
Yes. The reason is
sheet.
you've not scoped your view very well. When you add a scope box and then you scope it very well, this thing will be over. So, but you know how to use the scope box, or you don't know how to use the scope box?
Yes, I can do it.
You can do it, but you've not created a scope box yet.
No, I've not created it yet.
So if you create it and then you crop it properly, everything will be properly adjusted. So it shouldn't be a problem.
Okay. So let's say this one I use A3 to do.
Yes,
to
because
do
that's what
but,
you work with, basically. So you have to get comfortable working with A3.
But this one is A3 landscaping.
Mm-hmm.
So I can use A3 portrait because the drawing is longer.
Okay, if that be the case, then you have to design another A3 title.
I have that one too. I've designed that one already.
Have you loaded it into this project?
Yes, I've loaded into it.
So select this title block. Select the title block. Then try and change it from the properties. Go to the properties at the top. At the top. And then change it.
This place?
Yes.
Okay.
If you've loaded it, it will be there. You've not loaded it.
I've not loaded it. But
what you have is the landscape. So go and load it right now. So go to insert. Do you know where you saved it?
Yes, it's on the desktop.
Okay, so go to insert menu. Insert menu.
So I'm coming. I want to move this one before. Oh, yeah.
Insert.
Insert.
Then go to load family.
But it's on the desktop.
And so go to desktop. Click desktop on the left. If you go to the side, down. There's a desktop down. Click on that one. Desktop. Desktop. On top of it, there's a desktop. Yes, you should see it here. This is your desktop. It's in which folder?
And that's it.
Open that folder. So you look for the portrait one. Go to the views, make it the list so you can see the name well. Go to the views on the upper right corner and then change it to list. No, right. Change it to list so I can see it well. So A3 portraits. What you have there are all A2 portrait. There's no A3 portrait.
A2. Yeah. Say.
You don't have A3 portrait.
Oh, okay. I don't have it.
So you bring the A2 portrait for now. Let me see the A2 portrait.
Okay.
So select the A2 portrait, not that one. That one is a backup. Select the one at the top. The one with the numbers .001 is a backup. Select that one, the one at the top. Yes, select that one. Then click open. Now select this title block inside. It's loaded. Select the title block in the project now. You've not selected the title block, you're on the sheet. Select the title block. And then change it to the new one.
Okay.
The portrait one.
Yes, that's the portrait.
Select it. Now drag your sheet on it. In your title block, there's a lot of work that needs to be done on it too.
Yes, sir.
And those things at the top, what is it doing?
I'll remove them.
You have to remove them. There's a lot of work on it to be done. So I beg, go and create the A3 title block.
Okay.
And then load it before we meet on Wednesday.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So okay, let me why is it big like that?
What?
I say have you seen that in A2 it has gone inside very well. That's fixed inside.
Yes.
Okay.
But you should get an A3 title block. For now, let's use the A3 title block landscape to do it. There's no problem. You can still do it. So change it to the A2. Then later on, you can change it to the portrait. You have to select the title block first. Yeah,
So
that's the sheet. You have to select the title block before you can change it.
Okay, sir. So I should go to A3.
Yes, go to the A3 one.
Set the A3.
Yes. Now put the view on it well. Don't move the title block, move the view around and position it well. Yes. But you see the view, center the building well. Let the building go to the left small too. You see the building can easily fit. It's the green lines that we need to make some adjustments.
Okay.
So we'll do it right now, but let me look at the other sheet too, first floor sheet. I'm okay with
Okay,
this
sir.
one. Okay, first floor sheet is also cool. Roof plan. Go to roof plan.
So I'm coming up.
Roof plan is also cool. Go to the elevation. Now, if you look at the name of the sheet, you are calling it SD05 elevation. But how many elevations do you have on the sheet?
I have four elevations.
On the current sheet.
I have 2.
So the title block cannot be elevation. It should be elevations.
Okay.
So change it to elevations instead of elevation.
So this one, I have to change this one.
Yes, rename it to elevations. The sheet title, not the view, the sheet. Deselect the view. Now, if you go to the sheet name, it's elevation on the properties.
Okay, this way, this place.
Yes. Click on it.
I have clicked on it.
And then make it elevations. Add S. Because there are 2 elevations on the sheet. If there was only one elevation, then you make it what? Elevation. You understand?
But Kwame last you said we should change this one too. We should remove the sketch design over there.
But you've not done it.
No, but I said when you click on it, you should go to
the down. There you see title on sheet. If you go down, there's title on sheet.
Title on sheet over here.
So that one will be east elevation, or if you so you type the name you want to give it. So it should be east elevation. That's the title.
But the sketch design, we say we should remove the sketch design from there.
That is why you have to put the name you want on the sheet. You have to type it on the title on sheet. That should be east elevation. You type that one there. Then it will replace what is there. If you want it capital letters, write it capital letters. If you want to write it uppercase, write it uppercase. Yes. So that one is east elevation. Every view must be given a title on sheet properly. You understand? So east elevation, see that's not updated. Yes, now select the one at the top. The view. The view at the top, not the title, the view.
Yeah.
Select the view, not the view title, the view itself. Yes. Select the view at the top. Select it. Then change the elevation. You've not selected it. Not the view title, the view itself.
The view is meaning, is it the east one, the west one?
The one, yes, the view, not the view title. Select the view. That one, select it. Then go and change. Select it. You've not selected it. Select that one. Then go and change the view title. Then that one too, you should name it properly.
You're talking of this place?
Yes, the title on sheet. Title on sheet. Every view must be given a title that will be placed on the sheet. The software cannot do that one for you. Then go to the next one, the next sheet.
I said, look, it's cross. Okay, when it be there. Okay. Okay.
Then want to select the first one.
This one.
The one at the top. Deactivate the view. You have activated the view. Deactivate it. Right click, deactivate view. Deactivate view. And then select the first one, the first view. Not the view title, the view itself.
Oh, okay. This is the view title. This one is the view.
Yes.
Okay.
You're always getting confused.
Okay. Now that's true.
Then that one will be what?
Not elevation.
Not elevation. But you see, using north elevation and south elevation doesn't make sense. It should properly be front elevation, back elevation, left elevation, because you are not too sure whether this is actually when you put it on the site, it might not be the north elevation.
Okay, so then that means I have to change it on the project browser's place.
No, this place where you are giving the title of the sheet, that's what you need to do.
Okay.
So it shouldn't be north elevation. It should be back elevation, or left elevation, or right elevation, or front elevation.
Okay.
North elevation, because you've not orientated the building, it's not putting in context of any side. So how sure are you that this is the north elevation?
That is true.
So change the name north.
For now, let me when I go.
You do the right thing. You don't have time to go over it again.
Unless I go to the plan, because how will I see that this one is the south, or this one is the front, or back, or left?
So you are building, you don't know which one is the front.
No, for that one, from here I can't see it unless I go to the plan and I click on that.
Go and check. Okay, go and check. Now you are designing your building. You don't know which side is the front. You don't know which side is the back.
So like this. Like this. So here is front.
Which one is the front?
Here. So that's the front.
So now I have to go and change the name here. You can change it here. Go and change the title on sheet here. Now then call this one front elevation. That's the correct thing. I mean, this thing is not difficult, but only that you are not pushing yourself to this work you are doing. It's a work that you do to make money, to make a living, and you are playing with it. Hey, Charlie Ghana for.
I said, if I change it over here, it don't affect here.
No, it will not affect there at all. It is how it is appearing on the sheet. The sheet is what you are going to print. This one is there. You are just only using it to work.
Okay. Back.
Then this one will be what?
Back elevation.
Back elevation. Title on sheet, back elevation. Then go to the other elevation. This one will be right elevation.
Right elevation.
And when you are doing any project, whether you like it or not, you will do this. You don't need to be told to do it.
Shit.
So now we are done with the elevations, or
I'm coming up. Yes, I'm done with it.
check your left spelling.
So I'm done.
Okay, now go and check the sheet. So you see that it's left elevation, but we are still having east elevation.
Which I don't understand.
Select the view from here.
Here also, I don't understand it. It's not coming.
Front elevation is showing very well here. Back elevation is showing very well.
It's showing very well. I
Go
can
to
see
the other
it.
sheet. The other sheet. Go to the other sheet, the other elevation sheet. You have left elevation, you have east elevation.
So
Then go to the second sheet.
The second sheet.
This one, is this supposed to be east elevation? This sheet,
No,
is supposed to be,
no.
It's supposed to be what?
Right.
So select it and change it in the properties. Title on sheet. Escape and go to title on sheet. This is something you'll be doing every day. Get comfortable with them. Don't make it look as if it's a lot of work. This is not work. This is not work. The real work is ahead of us.
But sir, can I ask something?
Yes, ask.
So the left and the right and back and I can change it on. When I start drawings, I can change it on with the browser. I can write it on. I can write it on project browser. The left and the right, everything before at that place too.
It's up to you.
Okay.
But the point I'm trying to make is that the names you give to all the views in the project browser, they are names that you use only to work with. You can give them any name you want.
Okay.
But when you put the view on a sheet, you must give it the name that is acceptable by industry.
Okay.
So I can choose to call my elevation East 1111. But when I put it on the sheet, I cannot go and write East 1111.
Okay.
On the sheet, I must put the right name as it should appear on the sheet.
Okay.
Now go to the 3D view. So this 3D view too, what name are you so how do you want to call it?
3D impression.
So go and change the title on sheet to 3D impression instead of the 3D in brackets. So select the view and then go to the properties palette and then change the title on sheet to 3D impression. So every view that you put on a sheet must have a title when you are putting it on the sheet. This one, the software cannot do it for you. You are combining capital letters with small letters, my friend. I'm okay. The remaining 3D sheets, you've not done them.
I've done them, but
the sheets are there, but you don't have any views on them.
That's another one. That's another
but
one.
They are not on sheet.
But I thought I'm not done with the design, the roofing plan. Because I've not put it.
How many times do you want me to tell you this? You don't have to finish the work before you put them on sheets.
Okay.
Get it clear. Always create a sheet first. And then the views you want on the sheet, put them there. And know that these are the sheets I'm working towards. Then whilst we are working, then you keep on adjusting the sheet to make sure that you get the right thing done. How can you be modeling and not be creating the sheet?
I thought maybe we may do the internal view, then they will put it on
the assignment we agreed at our last meeting is go and create a sheet, put the views on sheet. And you've not done that. You've not added scope box, you've not added anything. Okay, you let me resume what you've done. It's almost 9.
Okay. So that's
we'll continue next week.
Okay, sir.
This your approach to learning there is not good for you. If you are not ready to learn the Revit, sit up. I must be very sincere with you. If this is the approach you want to learn it, then it will take you years. So,
I think things will work out.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, I'm sharing. Can you see my screen?
No, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, I can see it.
So this is the project that I also worked on. I'm taking it to 3D view. This is what I'm having. The one I showed you to yesterday. I've only done the walls, foundation walls here. So if I take the section box and go down like this one, you see I have a foundation walls I've done already. There are no foundation footings. If I come to the first floor, I've added the walls, I've added the windows, and I've added doors. I've also added my stair, but I'll go over the stairs with you again. Then I've added the first floor walls, first floor windows, and then the roof. I've added the roof. I've added the first floor slab, then the railings. Then lastly, I've added the walls. So this is the model that I've done, not detailed enough. It's very similar to your model, as you can see. Can you see it? This,
yes, sir.
This model, any of us here can do it.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
So, but I want to ask, the model that you did, the window, you don't start with us. You don't start with us.
What?
What you have done in the 3D. You did not do it in front of us. You did it.
But can't you do this?
Okay, sir. I can do it.
So what should I do? I have to do it with you. I said everybody should go and do his model. If you have a problem with your model, you bring it and you discuss your own. I also go and do mine. This is mine. You have shown yours. Right. And I'm asking this, what I've done here, can't you do this? Can't you do this?
I can do with the roofing plan, with the roof, but the concrete roof, I can't do it.
Yeah, you watch.
Yeah, because you haven't reached that place. So secondly, too, the section that you the section line that you bring it down, you bring it up. Where did you pick it from? Is it a scope box?
You let me switch it up. I was only using it to show you something. This is the model that I have.
Okay.
This is the model that I have. Please, does anybody has a question before I continue? Okay, no question.
Okay.
I have my ground floor here. This is the main ground floor level as I created it. And then I duplicated it and I have my ground floor sketch here. This is a ground floor sketch. What I've done is I only duplicated this ground floor level and brought it to the ground floor sketch here. And I've hidden all my grid levels. I've hidden all my grid lines. I've hidden all my section lines. I've hidden all my elevation markers. So the only thing that I can see is the building.
I say.
Yes, sir.
Hiding all the grid lines and the section line and everything. You have not shown it. You have not shown us over here.
Oh, me.
Yes, sir. So I've told you to have patience. So you are a lecturer.
No, you want to do. I beg go and watch the remaining videos. I won't go back again.
All right, you.
I beg I won't go back again. Go and watch the remaining videos.
But second, you are putting colors here, but we don't know how to put the colors.
So what do you want me to do?
You have put in shadows over here and the scale design, but we don't know how to put the shadows and the scale design. Maybe so. Parkway or yeah, all of them know it, but me, I don't know.
Me,
sir.
I beg you, make time and go and watch our previous videos.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Make time and go and watch our previous videos, I beg you.
Yes, sir.
I won't go back again.
Okay, sir.
So what I've done is I've duplicated the view for the scale design. And within the scale design, I've hidden everything to get this view. This is the room tag for each of the rooms that we've done. We've not done room tags, but you look at the room tags as time goes along. Okay. Now, if you go to the first floor level 2, that's what I've done here. The same representation. But if you think you don't get it, I'll start all over again for you again. We will get to this presentation. You let me leave it. Let me leave the scale design out. But this is what I've done. This is the work I did for the first floor. And this is the scale design for the first floor. This is the ground floor scale design. Then this is the ground floor production drawing. This is the ground floor working view. I've not done anything critical. And if you look at it carefully in 3D view, I've added a scope box here. So if I go to review hidden elements, here, you see that I've added a scope box here on height. So this is the scope box I've added. So I use this scope box to scope the building. As you have it here, a scope box. So I can see my building. And if you select the scope box, I've given it a name called general arrangement for the scope box. So you need to add the scope box to your project, which I didn't see. Now, after adding the scope box, if I go to each of the elevations, I apply the scope box to this elevation, I apply the scope box to this elevation, I apply the scope box to this elevation, then the scope box to that elevation. After that, I've created all my sheet for scale design here. There's a cover sheet which I have designed. This is my cover sheet here. I've not detailed the project name, the project address, client name, date, issue date, and then project status. I've not updated them yet, but I have a sheet here. I have a site information sheet, which I've already made provision for site plan, and then I've also made a provision for block plan. But I've not modeled the site. When I model them, I can come back and edit them to get this one. I also have a ground floor plan sketch design on a sheet. So this is my sketch design title block. This is my ground floor plan. As you can see here, ground floor plan. If I select the view and then go to the project browser here, you see that the view name is ground floor plan sketch, but the title on sheet is ground floor plan, as you can see. So I've given it a proper title on sheet. If I go to the second floor plan, first floor plan, the first floor plan too, I've also put it on sheet. And this sheet here, as you can see, is not my title block. So I can select the title block from here, go to the title blocks, then change it to my title block, KDA3 landscape. So that's the title block loaded. Then I can put the sheet nicely on it. Then I adjust this one. Now this sheet is also reading, this view is also reading a first floor plan sketch. But I don't want it to be first floor plan sketch. I want it to be first floor plan. So I'll select it, go to the view title on sheet, then I'll change it to first floor plan. First floor plan. So I have this one. So that's the title on sheet. Now if I go to the next sheet, roof terrace plan. Roof terrace plan 2 is already on sheet, but it's also reading title on sheet. So the same process, I'll select the view, go to the project browser, a title, go to the properties palette, look at identity data, title on sheet. Then I'll change the title on sheet to roof terrace plan. So I'll select one of the floor plans, ground floor plan, then change it to roof terrace plan. Roof terrace plan. So I have my roof terrace plan now. Then I'll adjust this length here. So now all my plans are on sheet, but this title block is not proper. So I'll change the title block to KDA A3 landscape. Then I'll drag the view and put it on the sheet properly. This view is not on the sheet properly. As we go along, I'll still come back and show you something. But right now, I'm only using eyeballing to put it on the sheet. Then I'll go to the next set of sheet, elevations. When I come to elevation, for my drawing, the elevation is fitting on one sheet. So I'll change my title block to A3 landscape. You see the way I'm doing it manually, one by one. That's not the best process to do it. So I'll select this title block. I don't want to use this Autodesk title block at all again. So unless if I'm supposed to do it sheet by sheet, it will be a waste of time. So I'll select this title block here, right click, select all instances in entire project. Select all instances in entire project. When I click on it and look at the selection filter here, at the lower left corner here, you see that there are 10 of them selected. Or if I click on this filter, you see that title blocks, 10 of them are selected. And they are the title block standard. So I want to change it to KDA standard landscape. So all the title blocks will change at a time. Then I'll put my view on it. And when I put this view on it, I'll change the title on sheet of this one to front elevation. So I'll come to title on sheet. Instead of south architectural building elevation, I'll make it front elevation. This is what I just did with me, similar thing. So I have it now, front elevation. But still, the presentation is still not guide. But don't worry, let's leave it there. I'll come to the next sheet. This sheet will be south elevation. So I'll make sure that the sheet is on it. What I have at the top is the AutoCAD drawing that I'm using to make sure that I'm getting my model correct. Okay, so I'll hide it at the right time. So this is I'll select this one. Then the title on the sheet also will be not elevation. Title on sheet will be not elevation. So this one to be north elevation. Then I'll go to the next sheet. Here will be west elevation. So I'll leave this one, west elevation. Then I'll go to the, yes, sir.
I thought you said we should use front, back, and left side and right.
Yes, so that's what I'm doing. So this one is the names. Okay, this one is front elevation. This one is okay, back elevation. Thank you. It escaped me. Thank you very much. Back elevation. Now you are coming home. So this one is back elevation. And then the next sheet here will be right elevation. Right. RIGHT. Right elevation. Then the last sheet here will be west elevation. Title on sheet. West elevation. So we have title on sheet at west elevation. Now, my 3D sheets, 3D impression sheets are empty. I've already created some 3D views. So this is 3D view 1 that I've taken. Now, if you want to see this 3D view 1, where it is, you can right click and then choose find referring views. Find referring views. So when you click on it, it will open the view for you where you want to find it. So I want to find it on the ground floor level. If I go to open, I'll see my camera, the view is cropped. So the ground floor level, I'll not crop the view. Do not crop. I'll uncheck it. This is the ground floor level. Then I'll come here, crop region visible. So the camera view, 3D view 1, show camera. So you see, this is the camera. I think the view is still cropped. This is ground floor level. Crop view. Yes, it's cropped by the scope box. So go to none. And then click on the camera 1, show camera. Show camera here. The camera is still not displaying. Why? Okay, don't worry. So this is the camera 1 view. Then this camera 2 view. As you can see from the left. This is the camera 3 view. And then this camera 4 view, which is an interior space. So I'll go to my sheet 1, 3D impression sheet 001, and then drag camera 1 view, 3D view 1. On the sheet. So this is it. When I put this 3D view on this sheet, I want to put 1 view per sheet. But if I put the view on the sheet, you realize that it is too small as compared to the sheets. And I know that this A3 sheet from the side here to the side here is 297. From the side here to the side here is 420. So my view size, the size should be something close to 297 or 420. So when I select the view, there's a crop size at the top here, crop size, view crop size. When you click on it, this dialog box will pop up. Because this one is a camera view, I don't want to change the view in any way. It's the size I want to change. So you change from field of view to scale locked proportions. If I do field of view and I change the width to say 300 and then change the height to say 250 and I apply, observe, it is the field of view that I am changing. So when I apply, the view will become bigger. The size of the drawing will remain the same. Watch. As you can see, now I see that the view is bigger, but the size of the drawing remains the same. That is not what I want to do. I want the size of the drawing to become bigger. So I'll undo and then select the view again and then go to the size crop. Then make sure you check scale. I want to scale the whole view. So I want the whole view to be bigger. So when I want to scale, I'll choose scale. And then the width, I'll make it about 400. If you make it 400, the height will automatically what? Adjust. Then I go to OK. Now when I go to OK, see that the view is now what? Bigger. As I wanted. So that I will adjust it down. So when I present it, it will look neat, bigger this way. And so I'll maintain it this way. Then I'll go to the next sheet. I need the next 3D impression. So I'll go to the views again. 3D impression 2, drag it and put it on a sheet. When I put it on a sheet, I select it. Crop size, scaled, locked proportions, width. I want it 400. I want it to be big. Apply. So it is now big, filling my sheet neatly for me. 400. The view title is here. But I will rename this view title like we did on the elevation sheet. But let me put the views first. Then the last sheet, sheet 3. I'll drag another view here, 3D view, drag it, and then put it on the sheet. I can select this one to size it. Make sure that scale, log proportion is active. And then adjust it to 400. Apply. So I just want to become neatly on the sheet like this one. So if you look at it right now, I have all my sheets I want to work with now. All the sheets. So I have my cover sheet. I have my site information sheet, but it's not well done. I have my general arrangement floor plan 1, floor plan 2. Then I have my roof terrace plan, elevation 1, elevation 2, elevation 3, elevation 4. Then I have last one, 3D impression 1, 3D impression 2, 3D impression 3. This is the sheet I want to present to the client as a sketch design. But the model is not complete. If you look at it carefully, there's no site model. There's no pavement. There's no car park. There's no lawn. There's no fence wall. I've not done it. I've only modeled the building up to a certain point. If you look at the 3D, I've not assigned any material to any wall. They are all default things that I've put there. So graphically, I'm going to do a lot of work on this one before it can be very, very presentable. But what I have now is that I have my sheet set. Any question? And this is what I expect everybody to be able to do up to this point. All of us, from what we've done so far, all of us should be able to put views on sheet and get a sheet. So currently, I have sheets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 sheets that I can print. But I can add more sheets if I want to. You understand? But if you look at each view comes with a view. Each sheet comes with a view. This one has one view. This one has another view. So this is the sheet here. And this is one view. This view has a number 1. This view has a number 2. This view has a name and a scale. This view also has a name and a scale. So the block plan, we are going to scale it properly before you put it on the sheet, preferably in a scale of 1 in 200 instead of 1 in 100. And then the side plan 2, we are going to scale it properly, preferably in a scale of 1 in 1,000, 2,500, instead of a scale of what? 1 in 100. But we will do that. But the most important thing is that I have my title block, which has a sheet number and a sheet name. I have my view 1 with a view number, a view name, and a scale. I have my view 2 a view name, a view number, and a scale. If I go to the second sheet, with this sheet 2, I have my sheet number, I have my sheet name, I have my view here, view number, view name, and a scale. So all the sheets have views on them, and then a view name, a number, and a scale. The same thing is applicable to elevation sheets. Elevation, a view name, and a scale. If I come to the 3D impression, I have a view on it, a view number, and a name. This name here, 3D view 1, is not a proper name that I can give it. You must name it to reflect the view as it is. So I'll call this one 3D impression. 3D impression. That's the view name. 3D impression. Now, when I select the view, as I did the 3D impression, I could have also undo, just like we did in the other sheet. I'll select the view. Instead of typing the 3D impression here, I can come in here and then give it title on sheet here, and then call it 3D impression. 3D impression. That's the title on sheet. Then I can put it here. We have 3D impression here. That's what I want to do. Then if I come to this one too, this one is also another 3D impression. So I can come in here, title on sheet, 3D impression. This one too, title on sheet, 3D impression. I can describe it better, 3D impression from the back, as in this one, or this one is 3D impression from the left, or a view from the left, or a view from the right. Those things will come with time as you move along. But any view you put on a sheet must have a proper name, a proper number, and a scale where applicable. Any question up to this point?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Please, I want to ask, have you seen the scale design? You've written the cover sheet 00.00. The site information 010.01 should, like, if you want to, like, if we should follow your name, the numbers, or we can use our numbers to
use your own numbers that you are comfortable with.
Okay.
Use your own numbers that you are comfortable with.
All right.
The most important thing is that every sheet should come with a number and then a name. So you should give your sheet right numbering and right name. As simple as that. Are you okay? Any further question? What was it? Yeah. What was it? Yeah. Tell you we are in a class and all of you are not attentive. If you think you are not ready for the class, let's close and go. Me?
Sir, I'm here. I'm here.
It's like you alone is here. Nobody is here. They've logged on, but they are not here. This class thing, I think I should stop. It's not worth pursuing this thing.
So, sir, if you stopped, what will I do? Should I come on? Should I face you one-on-one or what?
Yes, we can arrange later and then meet one-on-one. Because it's not worth what I'm doing. You are here as a class, you speak to people, and nobody will mind you. It's a high sign of disrespect. See you guys next week. Bye-bye. The class is canceled. Bye-bye.
Have patience, have patience.
Oh, no, what should I do?
You complete
you
this.
You are not valuing the service I'm providing for you.
Say, look, you are recording
No,
it. So
we are not valuing the service I'm providing for you.
Wait. Say, wait. We are recording it. Those things, if you go and put it on YouTube,
I won't put it.
people will listen.
I won't put anything there.
Say you complete it, leave it about 30 minutes, complete it, and then you send it to me. Send it to the platform.
Nobody's here. Who am I talking to? Who am I talking to? Or you think I don't have anything to do me? Let's talk later on. Bye-bye. Let's talk after. Bye-bye.
Online teaching, yes. I'm not getting online. No, Africa's America's online teaching, very fast. You know, when you grow, you know, it's
Hello?